Hi, this is Lori with Shutlog Homes, and I'm here with Jordan. He was in on the construction of our hybrid timber frame house from start to finish. I thought he would be a great person to ask some of those frequently asked questions that we get. So we're gonna just jump right into it here and start out with that huge beam over your head, Jordan.
So this beam over here behind me is an 8x14 solid oak and it's 26 feet long. That's the maximum the mill can cut.
And I noticed, Jordan, that it has some cracks in it. Can you tell me a little bit about those?
So the official definition of those cracks is checking, and frequently people look at that and question, is that gonna be okay? Will that work? And checking has absolutely no effect on the integrity of a log.
Well, great, that's great information. So I'm noticing these really pretty walls behind you. Can you tell me a little bit about how they are constructed?
Absolutely. So this house was built using your standard framing construction of 2x6 studs. The exterior is R19 faced insulation, followed by OSB, Tyvek, and then we chose to use board and batten log siding. On the interior, we used just normal log siding, which was different from the outside as we went vertical outside and horizontal on the inside.
Okay, Jordan, so I guess my next question is a question that everybody wants to know, is what's included with the hybrid timber frame kit?
Well, actually, there's a lot of stuff that's included. Most of the things that are included were the rafters, shiplap ceiling, all the ridge beams were there, trim, log siding, board and batten, and the frame studs.
Well, Jordan, that's all the questions I have for now. I really appreciate you coming by and giving us some good answers and some great information.
Absolutely, it was a blast. And if you guys are interested in any of our kits or this one in particular, make sure you guys check out oakcabins.com.